What's up, guys? I'm hungry. What do you want for dinner?
Sushi.
Sushi. Let's do sushi. Highest rated. Close early. I need something that's open still. They're open till 10:30. Perfect. Location. So we're on the way to the Asahi Sushi. Got tired sitting at home. Got class in the morning. She was working. So now we're headed for dinner. Never been to that place before, but let's see if it's actually good. Keep you guys updated when we get there. I hope there's no wait because they did not pick up the phone with me. So... they made a little patio outside, as you guys could see. So that's not technically indoor, that's still an outdoor dining, which is kind of cool because it's part of the building. So let's go check it out and see how it is. So there might be a wait. So I got my food. Here's one thing I don't like about restaurants. Now, take a look at this. Now, let's take a look at this. Nowhere does it say there's sauces. Nowhere. But I'm gonna try it. Maybe. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Stay tuned. How's your... just a hand roll. How's that, Amanda? Jeez. That looks good. Look at that, some watermelon. So we just finished our dinner. Alright, so here's the thing. I ordered a spicy crab meat crunch roll. Now, nowhere on the picture or the description does it show that that crunch roll comes with sauce. Also, I ordered a baked California roll, and that baked California roll ended up with a lot of sauce and cream cheese on top. Now, I'm a very picky eater, and the sauce, especially the sauce, not even because I'm a picky eater, it's just sweet. Sweet sauce on sushi is disgusting. Now, cream cheese, at least put that in your description, that there's cream cheese in your roll, and that there's sauce with everything. That is one thing I dislike about restaurants. They don't tell you the full ingredients. They just tell you, hey, crab meat, rice, salmon, tuna. But when it arrives, there's a bunch of sauce that you don't like. And usually, I would tell them, hey, can you make it with no sauce? But this time I tried it. It was okay. So now I know when I come back here, the food is good. But everything has to be no sauce. So just before I thought the night will be over, she's like, I want ice cream. So we're gonna go and get some ice cream. How did you say you want ice cream?
Huh?
What did you want from Ralph?
Ice cream?
Ice cream. He wants ice cream.
Ice cream.
So we're gonna go, Ralph, and get some ice cream. Ice cream.
I want something sour.
When you see a salted caramel truffle, it's like a no-brainer. You could be.
What is it, a vlog?
Say
Yeah.
hi.
How are you?
Yeah, it's a vlog.
We live, baby.
Would you like to answer?
No. Alright, sure, yeah, why not? Did it go through? Oh, I have to.
So you're famous or something?
No, trying to be. Just like everyone in
Just
Hollywood.
hop on TikTok.
Thank you guys.
Well, slam a pumpkin. Hey, slam a pumpkin in my head, and you'll probably be famous.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Should I? No.
We'll clean up your mess.
We'll clean up the mess. We'll be your sponsor. We'll be what do you call us? We'll be your dummy. Your stun dummy. There you go.
I got your permission, right? I'm gonna just run in.
Yeah.
Alright guys, have a good night.
Oh, you slam a pumpkin, it's like think fast. Boom.
You wanna throw it at me? So that's the problem with me. When someone goes to Ralph and buys something, I get something also. I end up spending actually more money than the person that needed to go. Because I want something also. When you're already at the store, you want something. And I have no self-control. Mind over matter is not here. I see it, I get it. Let me know if you guys are like me. I hope I have some friends in those. So I was about to finish the vlog, but now I have to go home and eat this ice cream. So I'll see you guys soon.